Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on your Xiaomi Mi True Wireless Earphones 2 Basic in case you are having issues with them not connecting or not working, or maybe sound is only coming out of one of the ears. Doing a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues, and it's also very easy. All you need to do that on these earphones is to open the case and put the earbuds in the case like as seen here, and then we're going to just come in and on the little reset button here and here, we're going to press and hold these two buttons simultaneously for several seconds. And you'll see the white indicator light at the bottom. It will start to blink, and then it will go solid, and then it will turn off. And once it's done that, it's done its reset, and you can go ahead and turn them back on. Just keeping in mind, now that you have reset them, they will no longer be paired with any devices. You'll need to repair them with any devices that you would like to use them with. So anyways, hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.